So what's up, guys? I am so sorry about just giving you guys an update. I've been super busy. I hope everybody is safe and healthy and happy and having fun out there and just keeping safe. Remember this thing here? Not thing, okay. This is my little custom sink that I had built a year ago, maybe like a year and a half ago. And this video is to update you. So now I had a leak in this thing here in the faucet part, okay, and it was a leak coming from, I think, the hot water part, and I'll show you at the bottom. This part right here needed to be, these screws, can't hardly see them, get a little closer. Okay, so these screws here needed to be tighter. Also, I needed some more connectors, and I'll leave these connectors in the description. I used a connector here, like new connectors. I also purchased a separate connector here, so this part could connect. This is, I think this is a 3/8. It's the information here. So it's a 3/8 comp right here. 3/8.5 FIP or FIP or something like that. I don't even know what that is. So it's a faucet connector, and this goes here, and this is called, this drain here is called a simple drain, and it's like everything in one. So instead of buying like so many pieces, it comes with every single thing, and I'll show you the box as well. But I called a plumber, and he came out and he fixed the leak for me. He did an awesome job. It was very quick, and as you can see, let there be water. It works. There's no leaks here. And hold on, let me turn this off. This part here was actually loose. See, it's not loose anymore. The plumber went down here. He tightened up this part up here. That part up here. He tightened it up very tight. And I actually had a leak from these lines, but he put some tape, some plumber's tape here. This is plumber tape, as you can see. But there's no leaks. This simple drain is awesome. It's amazing, guys. Amazing. Amazing. This is how the bottom looks. And I'm going to turn the water on again. Look how strong the water pressure is. And the wood still look new. Had like a wet spot right here when the plumber was here, but clean that up. It's gonna dry up. Turn it off. Okay. No drip. It's awesome. Okay, this is cold water, so I'm just gonna turn it to the cold water. Cold water here. And it goes back. Like, this is the farthest it goes back. This is the cold water, okay? Alright. This is the hot water over here. So I'm going to turn it all the way to the hot water. And then turn it on. And I'm going to let it heat up. Oh, the water heat up real quick. Okay, hot water is hot. That is hot. Okay. So there's no leaks here. As you can see, no leaks. Even with the water on, no leaks. See? No leaks at all. I am very proud of my plumber. He's awesome. Maybe I'll introduce you to him if he will like that. I don't know if he wants his face on YouTube. Here. If your sink is moving, if it's loose, I know my bowl is kind of loose a little bit. See, still moves. The bowl still moves, but it's okay, okay? It's okay. But if you have a leak, I suggest you call a plumber. Okay, I'm gonna run some water again. This is how, let me see how quick it fills up. This is how quick it fills up. Fills up pretty quick. Okay, turn it down. No leaks. No leaks anywhere. Happy. Very happy with this purchase. But like I say, guys, if you have any leaks, I'm no plumber. This is totally DIY. I did this DIY. And I end up still having to call a plumber because it started leaking on me. See, no leaks. And the water is gone. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this update. And guys, I hope you subscribe, like this channel. There's going to be more videos coming soon. Like I said, I apologize for being absent a whole year, maybe almost 2 years. So I'm very sorry. I apologize. But you know what? I have more videos for you guys. Love you. Stay safe and healthy.